Greetings to all our students, audience, friends, and family. Today, our topic is about goals and organizing. Hence, let us commence. How can we apply one of the successful tools to accomplish our goals and be organized? Here is the message. Keep your goals aligned to your latest thinking. Why? This will help you to achieve them and be more organized effectively. Moreover, here is a motivational quotation to reflect on. When you set your goals, you set your direction. Brilliant! You have learned a terse about goals and organizing. Apply this knowledge daily and contribute with others to multiply your abundance, compassion, and wisdom.